hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix YouTube is not working on Google Chrome browser in your MacBook. Except YouTube guys, all application, all websites are working with the internet. As you can see guys, when I'm trying to open the YouTube and trying to play any video, it is not working. So if you are facing the same kind of problem issue on your MacBook, so you can try this easy and simple method. So when you're facing this type of problem issue, first need to update your browser. To update your browser, click on three dots, scroll down, go to help and open the about Google Chrome. From here you can easily able to update your Google Chrome browser. Okay, after updating guys, here it will ask you to relaunch. Just relaunch and try to play your videos, any content on the YouTube. Now hopefully this will help you to fix your problem. Still, in case you're facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to close your Google Chrome browser. Okay, like this. After closing, you need to shut down your MacBook. So just click on Apple icon and here you can get the option shut down. So just select the shutdown from here, it will shut down your MacBook. After shutting down, open your Google Chrome browser once again and go to YouTube. Now it will fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you need to clear your Google Chrome browser history. To clear it, go to once again settings, go to privacy and settings, go to delete browsing data, select time range, all time. Just you need to check this all boxes, history, cookies, caches, everything. Okay, and then click on clear data. That's it. Now after doing this guys, open the YouTube once again. Now it will fix your problem. So one more method you can try at the last, at the end, you need to reset your browser. Okay, so just click on reset settings, it will reset your browser from here. Okay, so this is the last and final solution to fix this problem. So these are the easy and simple solution to fix this problem. Okay, so one more method you can try, you need to update your MacBook. To update your MacBook, click on Apple icon once again. From here, open the system settings, go to journal, go to software update and check the software update from here. That's it. So that's it for today guys. These are the easy and simple solution to fix this problem. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.